Friends, if you are looking for a quick and delicious stuffed potato paratha that's crispy on the outside and loaded with flavorful potato filling inside, then today's recipe is a must try. The best part is that it's easy to make, and once you try this recipe, you will want to make it again and again. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. First, I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a large mixing bowl. Now adding 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mixing everything really well. Now I'm gradually adding water. Don't pour all the water at once. Add it little by little while mixing. Once everything comes together, I'm kneading it for about 5 minutes until I get a soft and smooth dough. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Your comments really inspire me to make more delicious recipes. Just look at that texture. Now I will let the dough rest while we prepare the filling. Now I'm taking 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Adding 2 tablespoons chopped onions, 2 chopped green chilies, half cup of grated carrots, and 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, and half teaspoon of salt. Now mixing everything together really well. Friends, make sure the filling is mixed evenly so every bite is packed with flavor. Now I am taking a portion of the dough, rolling it into a medium-sized circle. Now placing some potato mixture in the center, carefully folding the dough over the filling and sealing all the edges tightly. Now placing the stuffed paratha onto a pan. Cooking it over medium heat without adding oil first. After a minute, when small bubbles start appearing, I will carefully flip it. Now adding a little oil and frying both sides until they become beautifully golden brown. Keep flipping from time to time so both sides cook evenly. Just look at that beautiful golden color. The outside has become perfectly crispy while the inside stays soft, flavorful, and full of delicious potato filling. And finally, our crispy stuffed potato paratha is ready. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and packed with delicious flavor in every bite. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy and delicious homemade recipes. See you in the next video.